Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a house in Minecraft. First, you'll want to gather plenty of resources like wood, stone, and dirt. Next, find a suitable flat area to build your home, ideally away from hostile mobs. Don't forget to craft essential tools such as a wooden pickaxe and axe to speed up resource collection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth building process and a sturdy foundation for your new shelter. Now, let's design your basic shelter. Start by laying out a simple rectangular or square foundation on the ground. Build your walls at least 3 blocks high to prevent most mobs from jumping in. Remember to leave spaces for a door and windows. Windows allow light and a view, while a door provides secure entry and exit. This simple structure will offer immediate protection from the elements and nighttime dangers. With your walls up, it's time for the roof and interior. You can build a simple flat roof with solid blocks or a more aesthetic sloped roof using stairs. Inside, place torches strategically to illuminate the space, preventing mob spawns. Don't forget to craft essential items like a bed to set your spawn point, a crafting table for advanced recipes, and a furnace for smelting ores and cooking food. Once your basic house is complete, consider adding advanced features for comfort and utility. Expand your home with multiple rooms for storage, enchanting, or brewing. You can also create a small farm nearby to ensure a sustainable food supply, growing crops like wheat or carrots. These additions will make your Minecraft experience much more enjoyable and self-sufficient. Be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your real-life adventures too.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.